outside of Goodwill in Fairfield, Connecticut. We're gonna head inside, see what we can find to buy and sell on eBay and Amazon. Let's go. All right, we are over at the media section first. Gonna see if I see any video games. Maybe they have a video game section, books. So I think we're just gonna have to start picking through this stuff, grabbing anything sealed that we see, and making a little pile of the sealed stuff to then scan in and see if it's worth it. So we'll do that real fast. Already piling it up. And let's see if we have any winners. All right, so we're going through the DVDs, and I wanted to scan this one first. It's brand new sealed. It's a Christmas movie, and I've sold these before. And then I noticed the price. What? I believe it's because it came from Target, and Target originally charged 30 bucks for this, but I don't think anybody's coming to Goodwill to spend 15 bucks on a DVD that they can get on Amazon for $8.11 used, and brand new looks like 13. So, woo! Alright, so just finished going through all of the media here and actually did pretty darn good. Curious George, love looking up the children's stuff. We got a bunch of sealed TV series, Castle, Hawaii Five-0, some workout DVDs do pretty decently, Bones, love that, and a really interesting VHS tape from Tsar to Stalin, no idea, it's only $1. Then just a few sealed movies right here. I always find Buckaroo Banzai sells for about $10 to $15 all the time, so I'll snag it for $1 or $2, why not? And then Volcano High, this surprised me. Keep an eye out for this, guys. It's like a $28 movie where martial arts and hip-hop collide with Snoop Dogg there. Isn't that from, oh, that's Tracy Morgan. This is interesting. I don't know, Volcano High, never heard of it, but worth some good money. We'll keep looking. Guys, take a look at that Christmas monkey right there. That, or is it a bear? Is that a monkey? That's definitely a monkey. He's very cute. Okay, let's see what they got. All right, guys, I know I get some hate on the cake pans, but take a look at these Wilton cake pans. I sell them all the time. It's only $1 for a Superman cake pan, $1 for a Christmas tree cake pan. Not bad. They're a little dirty. They need to be washed up. Throw them in the sink and just scrub them for a few seconds. And we have a Tigger for another $1. Now what I'm gonna do is pop all three prices up here on the screen so you guys can see the ranks are a little high, but they will sell. I know they will because I sell them all the time. I'm only spending $3 here, and I think I'm gonna profit probably close to $40 or $50. So definitely gonna snag all three of these. They'll take some time to sell, but they will. Keep an eye out for these cake pans. These Zumba Exhilarates I find all the time. This one's only $5 and it is brand new inside. You can see it has all of its components. The box actually has a little bit of wear, so it would be sold as used, but it has the sealed CD right here. It has all of its discs all along here. Got a whole bunch of discs, and it has these shake weight things, and these sell. I'll pop it up on the screen over here and you guys can see. These things sell all the time for about 30 to 40 bucks, so definitely keep an eye out for these. I flip them often. All right, guys, sometimes the really corny things sell. We have a dog corn holder, and how much do they want for this? $2. You can see it was originally selling for $6 at a store. I scanned it in, and take a look. Used selling for 14, brand new selling for 15. After fees, $7.82. Snag it. Easy $5-6 profit. I forgot to show you guys, I found these two things on the shelf as well. We have an American Revolution game for $2 and a Harry Potter puzzle for $2. Is this Harry Potter? Yeah, I see Hogwarts right there. So we're gonna scan these in. I'll show you guys how I do it. We'll flip over this guy, take our Amazon seller app, hit the barcode, see what we got. Boom. All right rank, not too bad, meaning it will sell. It'll just take a little bit of time. Has great reviews. It's on for 24 bucks, makes $16.82. It's only costing me $2. That'll go in the cart. And then this Harry Potter puzzle right here, $3, and brand new sealed again. We have the barcode. We'll hit it up. See what we end up getting here. Taking forever to load. There we go. All right, so we find the one with the lower rank, this one right here, and it sells for $17.99. So what we'll do is input our price of $17.99, and there you have it. It sells for $9.89 after fees. It only cost me $3, we'll take it. Alright, so I'm taking a look at the toys over here, and we have a little bit of a dilemma. So, they have 4 of these shotgun card games. They're all brand new for $4 each. You can see they originally sold for $15, then $7, now $4. So, they have 4 of them there, and if we come over here, there's another 4, so we have 8 of them. Well, I scanned it in, and you could see it right here. They'll sell super fast for about 14 bucks a piece. I'll make $3 each. 3 times 8, 8, 16, $24, right? Not too bad. Now, the reason why I'm not going to grab them is because if you take a look, that white sticker on there, which you guys saw earlier in the video, means it's from Target. So these have been clearanced out all over the state of Connecticut, if not the country, and they're at Goodwills everywhere. So by the time these hit the warehouse, the price on Amazon is going to come down, and you're either going to break even or make no money. Now, a thing you could do is grab them, keep them on your shelf at home, send them into Amazon, have them keep them on their warehouse shelves, and wait till Christmas time. There's a possibility that the price will go up, but I'm not gonna mess with that for 25 bucks. So back in the day, these Robert Grahams used to sell so well. It even has the flip cuff right here. Very cool, but at $10, I don't even think it's worth it anymore, honestly. I have no idea. I think I'm gonna leave it. So flipping through all the clothes here, I came upon a little Harley Davidson pile here. We have Stamford, Connecticut, Harley Davidson motorcycles, nothing on the back, a little bit on the sleeve. What is that? Bridgeport. We have another Harley Davidson here with Hannaford or Hannums in Pennsylvania, and another Harley. It's just black, nothing on it. The thing is though, with Harley, I think you want to have some cool, crazy designs on here, and at $10 each, that's a lot of money. So these are staying behind, but some Harley stuff can do pretty good. I did grab one shirt. What is that? That's wild looking. I did grab one shirt that I'll show you guys in a second. Still flipping through everything, seeing if anything cool pops up, anything catches my eye. And so far, nothing is catching my eye that much. Nothing too crazy anyways. A lot of prices at that $5 to $10 range. These two are 5, 5, 10. It seems like there are 2 prices here, 5 and 10, 5 and 10. There's 5, there's 10. There's 10, and here is 5? Nope, 10. Darn. Alright, we're just gonna keep looking. Alright, found a few more cool t-shirts. They're Harley ones, $8 though. Kind of expensive. This is Fort Lauderdale, Florida on the back. There's a Live to Ride, Ride to Live Harley from New Haven, Connecticut. And then another Harley Davidson one, another $8 from Big Twin Aruba. Kind of cool, but $8 each. I think that's too much, and I think we're gonna head out because these clothes prices aren't great. I did grab 2 pieces of clothing that I will show you guys in a bit, but for now, I think it's time to leave this Goodwill. Alright, I snagged a couple pieces of clothing here. This Woolrich is personal use. It's always nice to find some nice things for yourself at the thrift store. This is also for personal use, this K9 unit, $4. I thought it was kind of cool. I don't know, $4, I'm taking it. And then this to flip, I think this was only $4 as well. It's an Untuck It. I haven't found Untuck It in a while. It's an extra large, it's super clean, and for $4, I used to flip this stuff all the time for $40, $50. I'm sure it's come down a little bit, but it's so cheap that I'm sure I could still get some decent money for it. And I think that about does it. We got a lot of good things in here. Awesome money to be made today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment. If you have any questions, subscribe if you haven't already. This is Thrift School signing out. See ya.